Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Ugg slippers. So I've got Ugg slippers because it was sale going on and I wanted to unbox it. I have the sleeves up because it's super humid. So let's get started. So I will do unboxing of few pairs and it will be on my channel, and the ones that don't fit or I don't like or something wrong I will return, but I bought them because it was sale and I was eyeing them for a long time, even a few years when they came out, but they were kind of expensive, so I was always thinking they not that worth. So I've got first pair I've got, it's on Zappos and they have sale. Let me see. I will do each video separately because I think it will be better that way. So first pair I've got is on Zappos and it's Ugg Women Flaff Yes Light in size 10. And the color is like neon pink, but it doesn't say here on the box, and the thing looks like this. So let's open them. Inside it looks like this. And they ship it. So let's see. Wow, very nice. So here they are, looking like this. Let's take them out. And they come with this thingy, which is thank you for purchasing Ugg. And a little bit about the material and company history. So here we come. This will be a thumbnail. Let's make it thumbnail. And they come with this plastic thing inside to keep shape. Wow, these ones are really cute. I love the color. Yeah, they are smelling nice too. All neon pink. I don't know if they can be worn outside because see, the bottom looks like this and the fluff fur is still here touching. It would touch the ground and be dirty. So I don't know. No, actually if I will want to wear them outside, because then they will be, you know, dirty, and how you clean this part. So as you can see, they are really nice fluffy slippers. Here they have a sticker that says they are real fur from lamb. Fur has been artificially dyed and treated. Fur origin Australia, and they are made in Vietnam. What I can already tell, I thought they would be more flexible when it comes to bending. See, they're not that flexible at all. They only bend like this. And here this part, heel part is much higher. That I knew actually, but I thought that they would be more flexible. That means they might be not that comfortable as a slippers. Like maybe they will be warm, but not super comfortable. So if you put the hand, it looks like this. So we are made. This feeling of that fur is really nice and fluffy. Here we have like rouge, like something is like they have that stripes connected or something, but on the inside they are like all the one part. The sizing, it's 10 USA and 8 UK, European 41. Inside we have also this tag, and this one in left has also authenticity from Ugg. This code and some QR code. I really like the fluffiness of them and that they are made from real fur. And there's a bit about them. Yeah, they are on here. They have that strap, which is kind of cute. It has Ugg logo, and it's two-colored, and it stretches. So yeah, very cute. I love them already. I love the color because this color is my favorite actually. And here is another one. Oh, and then here we have tag. I mean, like sewn onto the insole, which has Ugg logo, and they were for $70 something on the. No, these ones were really cheap. I got them actually for $44 on the Zappos site. And it was like this one wasn't last, I think, so I got them fast because other ones were like 70 around, and then on Victoria's Secret pink site, and then it was 25 additional % off, which was working on them also. So in next videos I will show you other ones. So this is really cute Ugg slipper, and I love how it looks, and I will show you also. I will show you how they look on me. So yeah, they are really cute, so adorable. But some small pieces of wool already coming out. Oh, so hello. Here are first ones. So here are my slides, fluffy slides in color, looking like it's neon pink. So it looks like this. I've got them in size 10. And they still looks like they are big on me, but they feel comfortable and not loose at all. So yeah, they on the side, it looks like this, as you can see, like so. Very cute. I like. The foot looks like, and strap looks fine. My size is actually 9.5, so maybe that's why they slightly more big. Maybe 9.5 would be better, but they don't have 9.5, so actually the 10 had to get, because we don't have half sizes. Yeah, I feel like very comfortable, but not super comfortable. They are a little bit like rock stiff. So I don't know. For some time they're fine, but I'm a little disappointed when it comes to comfort, because I thought they would be more comfortable. And they are a little bit like less comfortable than other slippers. I have slippers from the Forever 21 and they are more comfortable and more flexible, and these ones are like little stiff, but I like the fluffiness. And I bet they will be great for winter and cooler days in fall. And on the from top they looks like this. I have biker shorts, by the way. And on top they looks like this. From top. So they also really cute. Now we have still summer, so to me they are too hot right now. I have to take them off soon. To compare, I will try now the size 12, because I've got two of the size 12. I mean, two of this design, but also the size 12, so be right back. Here are size 12. Oh yes, slippers. These ones look very big on me, I think. Although, maybe not too bad, but they look a little bigger. If I would want, actually they are fine too. You could wear them this way or even without this strap, because this one are loose a little bit. If you like things a little more loose, then I recommend sizing up, because then you can wear them more comfortably. And especially in the winter, maybe if you wear them with socks, then maybe maybe it's more comfortable in socks, I don't know. Yeah, these ones are like, actually because they are more narrow, because they bigger, they are not as narrow as the smaller size. Very nice. Looks like this. Very cute. Oh, they're so cute. But then they are a little big on the back of foot. And when you push it to back, then your things are not visible. So yeah.